Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a killer 23 bucket. We got the owner here that built it from the ground up. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good.
Good. Pretty car.
Thank you.
Labor of love, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Dude, I love how you did the 50 style on it with the moons and the slicks.
Yeah, I wanted to keep it that era. Late 50s, early 60s. Mm-hmm. You know.
Well, you nailed it. That's for sure.
Thanks. Thanks.
So tell us about what you did.
All right. Well, the body, you did a body off.
Okay.
Had the body work all done and painted professionally. Rewired the entire car.
Okay.
It's all wiring's new, gauge package is new. Has a GPS speedometer, which is a nice feature.
Oh, really nice. Super accurate.
Yeah, it's and everything is mechanically in great shape. It's a nice driving car. It's real enjoyable. You know, the engine's a 355. Okay. It's got a 600 Edelbrock carburetor on it. Headers are new from Sanderson. Ceramic coated headers.
Yeah, so they stay nice and shiny.
Yeah. Aside from that, all four-wheel disc brakes all around. Stops well. And like I said, it's a real nice driver.
Super nice. What kind of wood we got here?
That's all mahogany. The wood is all mahogany burl, and all laminated.
It's beautiful.
Over the fuel tank.
You can see all the burl in it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
LEDs in the back?
No LEDs in the back. The only LEDs are the front directionals.
Okay.
And
I like the blue dots you did.
Thanks.
Really nice. Yeah. A lot of really nice hand-painted striping.
Yeah, the striping was done professionally. Really done well.
Did Nelson do those the stripes?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Who did the stripes?
Ford 9-inch rear under there?
No, it's an 8-inch rear.
Okay.
355 gears. Transmission's a 350, turbo 350, just rebuilt.
Okay.
With a shift kit.
Good.
With a shift kit in it, and like I said, it's a good driver. Had 411s in it before, and the gas mileage was
not the best.
Not the best. So I went to 355 gears. So now it cruises nice at 55. Mm-hmm. It drives well.
Nice big electric fan up front, so it keeps it nice and cool.
Keeps it nice and cool. Yeah.
Not overly radical, the motor, so runs nice and cool.
Yeah. Yep.
Looks like a Edelbrock 650.
Yes, Edelbrock 600.
600, okay. 600.
Alternator is new. Starter's new. High torque mini starter. Water pump is new. And
Edelbrock high rise.
Yeah.
Electronic ignition, right?
Electronic ignition. Yeah, all MSD ignition.
MSD wires.
Right.
Very nicely done.
Thank you.
Looks like you took your time with this one.
Thanks.
I like the finned valve covers. Gives it the vintage look, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
Chrome leaf spring up front. Like you said, disc brakes all the way around.
Yeah.
Very nicely done.
Thanks.
So you got LEDs up top here in the indicator.
Yeah, the LED tops up in the directionals.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice and bright.
Yep.
Brand new water pump. Chrome.
Yep, no chrome water pump.
I like your dipstick.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Kind of old school.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Inside looks like you get a custom wheel on there. Nice and short, to give you plenty of room.
Well, the wheel's readily available.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but I needed a flat wheel rather than the dish because of the length of the steering column.
Okay.
It also has a new shifter, and there's a Locar Shifter.
It's a nice shifter with a push button.
Yeah.
Looks like everything's pretty fresh too, right?
Yeah.
We got a couple. 1,594 miles on the build. Pretty cool. Those are nice gauges too. Those are autometer, vintage look.
Gauges, the whole package is all nice. All electronic. All the gauges are electronic.
Oh, so they light up real nice and very accurate.
With LEDs.
Mm-hmm. Like how you have seatbelts in here too.
Yeah.
Completely finished interior.
Yeah.
Very nicely done.
LED lights are under the scoop as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a switch up under the dashboard here.
Okay.
And if you turn these on at night,
these,
these hide the LED strips underneath here.
Mm.
This is wired right under here, so it lights up the engine at night.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, you won't even see those, I don't think.
Oh, cool.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, you see them now.
You see them?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice little touch. Very nice. Let's fire it up.
Okay. So they have a small baffle in each one of the zoomies.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Rev it a little bit. Oh, yeah. Sounds real good. It's not like it's wide open.
No, it's not too loud. So
Good. You buzz it around the block real quick? Yeah. Thing's getting a lot of looks on this thing, huh?
oh, I do, yeah.
Stop on a dime with the four-wheel disc brakes, right?
It's a pleasure. Yeah, what a difference when the drop brakes.
How much does this weigh?
I think it's about 1,600 pounds. It's like a go-kart on steroids.
Really quick, man. When you gunned it a little bit, I was like, whoa.
And that was nothing.
Nothing, I know. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
1,600 pounds. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website, webeautos.com. And we offer worldwide shipping and financing. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.